Tommy.
Юха! Нет! Давай мы с Катей возьмем. Катя, иди.
You made it. Not really. Trip of the lifetime. Trip of the lifetime. Goodbye. Doesn't gone yet. Nice looking. Any worms?
There's only that octopus.
Do you keep the same in Cyprus? What is it?
Very simple.
Octopus.
为海景春江之图像，它的技术挺集成，日本的足迹啊，你看那个宫殿，二代时期的这是，中国最早的军营是前4年嘛，这应该是少校。1415年。
Slavia border.
It's bar and disco.
Houses, I think, goes on
Casino.
Oh, casino, betting, gambling.
Jeanette, this is a love art. I will say it in Russian. Right, Gina? Yeah, Lubaloo. See? What do you think about?
My name is Kit.
Now begin. Kid.
Katerina.
Katerina.
What's he? Muslim.
What is your name, chef?
Alan.
Alan.
Mm. Alan.
Raul.
Raul.
Yeah.
Raul.
Raul.
Just call me Al. Good morning. Доброе утро.
Tell to Jeanette, how do you feel?
Very очень tired. Are you tired?
Hi, man. They need renovation. These houses. Clean up renovation.
Это Владивостокский Арбат, улица Светланская.
Yeah, where are they? There. Oh yeah, it's a lovely tree. Got them in. This is like London. And all these trees are in England. Did you go there before?
We never even saw it on the train, we went through it in the night.
Yeah, we never seen it.
Early in the morning.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Come on, dude.
Shopping for you, see. Too interesting. Bottle opener.
Yeah. Well, Sloan knows how to do it.
I've been in places like this where you sharing with strangers.
Where?
That's what you're going to do in there. It's all open.
That's the first thing I did when I came in and counted the beds. I thought it was 4.
Yeah, you should have seen the blonde that came out of one of the rooms.
I saw her.
How did you see her?
She was coming out the door when we came in.
I would like to show it to them, this thing. Don't be silly, man. Don't be silly.
Yeah.
Siberia.
This is Siberia.
Yeah. But everybody in the West, they think this is a cruel place to be.
I think it's all snow.
They think it's all snow and no food and police, what do you call? Very uncomfortable place to be. But look at it. I think it's the paradise. You call it paradise of Siberia. You see the Sydney Opera House, they shrunk.
Who's that? this town on my video.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's taken in the winter. It's not like this in the sunshine. It's taken in the winter.
It's taken in the winter.
Mm.
So it must be full of snow.
It was it was snowing. Yeah,
It was snow.
yeah, really cold.
I keep thinking I'm in Philippines. I don't know why.
Where?
Philippines.
Philippines?
I keep thinking. But then again, we are in a great land, biggest land on earth.
As we came in, there's some really old houses.
Yeah,
Really, and next door is some really modern places. Did they try to keep the old houses here?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, because they are really old.
Different culture, different ways, but it is a likable country. It's a likable, but you can't say this is a better country than the other countries. Initiator of the communism.
Yep.
But he wasn't very strong man. He was a very cruel man, very clever man. And Stalin followed after him.
Yep.
Was Stalin chosen by the people or
No.
he just
Chosen by party.
by
himself.
party, yeah. Oh.
Ja, det gidiyor kurt.
George V.
And Gala River. The Rangara River flows out of Lake Biakal. Lake Biakal's up that way. You see how fast this river's flowing, because there's about 350 rivers and streams going into the lake, and just this one coming out. So you can see how fast it's flowing. But look how clear it is. Look how clean it is.
What's it called?
Yeah.
Drinkable.
Clever cow.
No dream now, is it?
This is dreaming Alan Dickens.
Yeah. It's
And
real.
his dreams
It's
has come
true.
true. Has come true.
Yeah.
Okay, Alan, and this is your dream.